Hello people, in case you find such problems when you're using SQL developer, most of the people face two challenges. One, it is slang or lang, that's language. Others always face a problem of missing parameters. But I'll start with that of SQL developer, those who face language problem. It's always abbreviated as lang, which is language in full. Now, you end up opening your SQL developer like this. After that, you click on create a new Oracle database. In corner here, you put in your username or the username for your database. Mine, I will just call it YY. Then down here, I'll put in the credentials, which is always the default username for the authentication is system, and the password you used while installing. Mine was 123. Then you don't change another thing here. When you come here and try to test, when you try to test down here, gives you this error. Okay, it gives you this error with NLS. NLS, that's language. How do you fix such challenge? That's what we are heading to. What you do is right click on the date, or you go to date settings and language. For Windows 10, it's date settings and language. If at all it's another operating system, just go straight to languages. Right click here, then you go to right click on this, then you go to adjust date and time. Adjust date and time, that's where I will find languages settings. When you got language settings, just here, change the language. Okay, change the language. Language for your country maybe for your own country, but it's supposed to be matching with United States. Okay, here it's United States, English United States, but down here when you look here, it shows English Uganda. You're supposed to change this back to United States too, so that they can match with what is in your Oracle or your SQL developer. SQL developer, what I didn't show you down here, SQL developer also has English US. When you go to tools, then you go to preferences. When you click on preferences, and then you go database, which is here, expand this and try to go to NLS, which was our error earlier. NLS, that's language. When you try to expand and check it, they are showing that our language is supposed to use on this software, it's supposed to be American. Then also the territory, it's American. Then the date language should also be American. These three things should be matching. Now, for that case, that's why you're pushed to go and change the language to US. No matter which country you are in, change the language to US. That error will disappear. Okay. Okay, let me say here. Okay, go back to my settings. Now I'm going to scroll down here. Then I'll make US, United States, the first priority. Okay, right now it's Uganda, or it could be your home country where you are. Just change that, make this the first priority. How do you make it the first priority? Click into once. When you click into once, you'll be able to see these upward and downward arrows. Click up arrow, okay, to interchange the language. Now US is the first priority on our list. After that, close this. Start it again. In case it does not start, then you need to restart your entire machine, okay, to make that language effective. All right, let me put in my username there. I'll just say YY, and I'll just come back here, put in system very fast. Then I'll put in 123, that's my password. You put in the password you used while installing. I'll test again. If it gives you the error again, after changing all the language and everything, what you need is to restart the entire machine, or you sign out the account. Okay. All right. I'll click on, go to username here, and I'll say sign out. Right. After signing out, I'll sign in. When I sign in the language now, all the settings for language will really be effective for this. I'll be back when it is done with signing out. All right, it's on now. After signing out, it's on now. You start your SQL developer again. I've told you in your notes, don't forget to change the language. It should be American English, because the software is within American English. Okay. All right, it's in now. Create again a new one. All right. All right, I'll just type in here my my database why, then I'll say system very fast. System, that's the default username, people. Then this is 123, that's my password I used. Then test. The status should be here, should be success here. Okay, status is success, implying now we have fixed that issue. Okay, that's one of the error or that's always being faced. The second error that's always faced by people, it's always happen. This I can now connect the database. Okay, and now add our database. It's now successful. We have added it. Why it has been created. But another error that's always being faced by people also, that is now faced by someone when he or she starts the SQL developer down here, or wherever the folder is. When you start it here, it will show you that there are some missing files on the screen. Okay, when that error happens to your account, in case it happens to your account, straight what you should do, you just go to this PC or you go to local disk C, then you'll click local disk C, then you go to users. After users here, you'll be able to see your username for your PC. If it is users, then you continue with the user. If it's your name, then you continue to click into your name. Okay, if someone's name or HP or something like that, you continue to click into that folder. When you click into that, you'll be able to search here the folder called app data. Okay, app data, P data. Then when you click into that folder, it will take you to rooming, ROOMING, rooming. When you click into rooming, you'll be able to see SQL developer. What causes the missing files? You'll be able to see 2 SQL developer folders found in rooming. Delete them both. Okay, when you delete them both and then you start SQL developer again, then it will be able to start properly. The last thing that can also cause that is when your laptop is missing a JDK. Okay, JDK, that's also picked from the website of Oracle. Okay, or Oracle, you just go to, let me try to click here. Some are missing JDK. Okay, just type in JDK, then you say download. Most of the time it requires you to be with an account with them. That is very simple. You can use, I didn't connect internet there, but you just need to create an account with them and then you download your JDK. Okay, it has no problem when you create an account with the Oracle websites, because you may need more different softwares from their website. Thank you very much for watching. I'm out. Thank you for watching this. Any question, leave it in there. Any question you like to inquire about this SQL developer, leave it in the comment section below.